Hot wok, fresh noodles, big flavor. That's all it takes. I'm making Hakka Noodles today, and trust me, you're gonna wanna save this one. Hi friends, welcome back to Cooking with Candace. Forget the delivery guy. Smoky wok, crunchy veggies, perfectly tossed noodles. I'm showing you exactly how it's done. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need around 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. For the green bell pepper, red onion, carrots, and cabbage, we are going to julienne each 1/3 cup of each. Then you'll need a pinch of sugar, a pinch of white pepper, a pinch of salt, a pinch of MSG, 1/4 teaspoon of green chili sauce, a handful of spring onions, 150 grams of Hakka noodle, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of white vinegar, and I think that's it. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is peel my carrots. I think I'm just using 1 carrot, I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I have my carrot peeled. So I'm gonna cut on the side here so that it doesn't move around. So you put that flat down so it's not wobbling everywhere. And then I'm gonna cut some diagonals. Okay, so I've cut pieces like this. They're all the same size, around the same size. And then you're gonna stack them and make julienne strips so that they're all the same size as the noodle. Okay, so now that I've made my carrot matchsticks, I'm gonna make my red onion ones. So I'm gonna cut this in half. And then I'm gonna cut similar slices. Okay, so after you've cut your onion, you wanna break them apart so that they're not all stuck together. Okay, so we've done the onion. We used like half an onion, and we're not using the innermost parts, we're just using the outside parts. So now I'm gonna cut my bell pepper. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my bell pepper into the same size strips as the carrot and onion. And it's always easier to cut the bell pepper on the inside out. You don't wanna cut it on this side. It's a lot easier to cut it like this. Okay, so for the cabbage, you wanna take like the insides out so that all the hard part is out. And then you flip it and you lay it flat and you make the same knife cuts that you just did. Okay, for the spring onions, you only want the darker green part. Okay, so we're cutting like longer ones, and then we'll also do some really short ones as well. Okay, so before I do my mise en place, I am going to boil the water for the Hakka noodles. So I added some salt in the water, and I'm just rubbing some olive oil on the side so it doesn't boil over. And then I'm gonna turn it on high and get it to a boil. Okay, so now that the water is boiling, I'm gonna put my Hakka noodles inside, and I'm only gonna boil it for 30 seconds to a minute until they start breaking apart. And then I'm gonna shut the heat off and cover it for 3 minutes. Okay, so now that it's been boiling for about a minute, I'm just gonna shut it off and I'm gonna cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so now that they've sat for 4 minutes, they are perfectly cooked. And we are gonna drain the water and put cold water over them so they don't continue cooking. Okay, and you wanna spray some oil in the noodles so that they don't stick together. Okay, so first we're gonna oil the pan, the wok, and turn the heat on. We're gonna move the oil around so it gets all up on the pan. Okay, so now that the oil's hot, the pan is hot, Leave it on high heat, and we're gonna add our garlic paste. You can also use chopped garlic for this as well. And then we're gonna add our veg. So first our onions, then our carrots, and then our cabbage and our green bell pepper. And we're gonna cook this for only 30 seconds and then add more ingredients. Okay, so now we're gonna add a pinch of sugar, just a little tiny bit. And our green chili sauce. And then our some of the longer spring onions. And then our noodles. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my salt and my white pepper. My dark soy sauce. And my vinegar. And then at the very end, we're gonna add our MSG. Okay, now she's done. Very quick cooking. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the Hakka noodle. That's a wrap on Hakka noodles. If you love this, you're gonna love what's coming next. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.